Okay, so here we are. This is a Ball and Jewel 25 horsepower open rotor 3-blade granulator. I'll kind of walk you around the granulator down here. One of the reasons why I like this granulator is the fact that the drop down is just straight down. You'll notice on a lot of granulators that they'll have a kickback here and then a kickback down here. And so a lot of stuff can potentially get stuck back in this area. That's why I like this. It's just a straight down right to the cutting chamber. So anyway, here's the back side of it. That's how you open it up. Cranks back. Looks like a relatively new motor on it. Simple stop-start switch. You can also control a stop-start on a conveyor as well, so if you ever did want to convey material. So here we go. I'm going to have Roger start it up. I do not have a drawer in the bottom, so you can kind of see. We put a light down there so you can kind of see how the material is falling through and how quick it's chumping it up. Okay, so here we go. This is rigid plastic first, cut in half. Run the other piece of rigid. Flexible pieces. It's a little on the large side, but it will be able to grind up all of the products that you sent over. You can see pretty simply. So, all right. Any questions? Give us a call 248-627-3135. Thank you.